The Keshe Foundation is launching a parallel global infrastructure. Powered by proprietary plasma and GaNs technology, their stated objective is to entirely replace traditional state-run financial and utility systems. To prove this technology works, the foundation recently hosted a 3-day live Zoom broadcast from Beijing. Using what they call obsolete rotating gas reactors, they claim to materialize black particles directly from cosmic rays and Earth's inertia. The climax of this demonstration occurred when these newly materialized black particles were struck by a human finger. According to the broadcast, that brief physical contact instantly transmuted the dark dust into solid gold. For the Foundation's followers, this materialization of matter from pure energy serves as the definitive proof of concept required to legitimize the global rollout of their new ecosystem. At the center of this rollout is the game of peace and enlightenment. This digital hub acts as the primary access point to the new economy, bypassing fiat currencies. This graphic details the Cashcoin, the mandatory currency for all Foundation products. It offers a guaranteed 3% annual return and maintains ties to the publicly traded U.S. Mark Ray Corporation. The physical backbone supporting this coin is the One Nation network. The Foundation intends to deploy an offline mesh grid of 10,000 hardware units globally, fully financing the first 8,000 themselves by the end of the year. This diagram illustrates the network's dual mandate. First, the mesh grid automatically blocks transactions from arms dealers. Second, the Foundation asserts it will eventually use integrated cosmic ray antennas to deliver physical energy, nutrition, and wellness directly to users' homes. By fusing the Cashcoin with this hardware mesh grid, the Foundation is building a closed-loop environment they call a plasma city, designed to completely sever its citizens from commercial banks and state-run utilities. This economic integration is already manifesting physically through a massive, proprietary agricultural operation in China, powered entirely by GaNs harvesting technology. The current output includes tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, cotton, and purified herbal teas. Production is scaling rapidly, moving from 100 kilograms a week toward an output of several tons per day. Products bearing a blue label confirm 100% GaNs processing. To acquire them, international buyers must temporarily route their Cashcoin orders through the Foundation's proxy in Austria. Supplying tangible food in exchange for a proprietary token proves to followers that the Cashcoin is a functional replacement for fiat currency, necessary for daily survival. The Foundation's ambitions also extend to global governance. They predict a back-channel motion by Iran to expel Israel from the United Nations will act as the catalyst to dismantle the American-backed global arms industry. To enforce this geopolitical shift locally, users must sign the World Peace Treaty and perform the Dome of Peace ritual. Every Sunday at 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. Central European Time, followers collectively release 1/3 of a container of GaNs water into their environment. This ritual compliance is justified through what is called X-factor plasma mechanics. This model asserts that human biology mirrors cosmic physics, where DNA can be actively modified by shifting away from acidic, unchosen variables toward alkaline, chosen factors. This visualization shows the required biological transaction. Copper GaNs, representing the physical, and zinc GaNs, representing the emotional, must interact at the gravitational picocore. This energy then travels across 3 metabolic pathways: the carbon-12 transmission, carbon-14 transition, and carbon-16 transmutation highways. By weaving this dense esoteric biology together with cosmic physics, the Foundation creates a strict scientific and spiritual mandate, ensuring followers remain entirely compliant with their economic directives. As the physical deployment accelerates, followers are given immediate directives. They must divest from fiat currency, acquire Cashcoins, deploy One Nation network nodes, and execute their daily rituals. The next required step for community integration is the May 1st Global Transmutation Session, specifically engineered to target and cure human addiction. The Foundation is establishing a proprietary, closed-loop ecosystem designed for absolute user dependence, intended to replace every facet of traditional global infrastructure.